Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 4 of organizing my pickup truck. I went and got a 2x12, and as you can see, I attached it down there to that 2x4 going across. Right now I only have one screw there, but I'll probably put like an L bracket. So I have a 4-inch screw towed into that, and then inside the box I have screws going into the 2x12 about every 2 feet, something like that. And then I have a 1-inch square stainless tube. So then I got 2 screws in here I pre-drilled so it wouldn't crack. And then up here, can't really see, but notched it out, and I used self-tapping pretty heavy-duty screws into the C channel, and I have to get a longer one and put it in from here to here. So far I got 2 screws up there. I want to add another one from here to here. But super strong. It doesn't really have to be that strong, to be honest. Because all it's doing is holding up aluminum ladder, that little steel ladder in my DeWalt table. So I would guess all that weighs about 40 pounds, something like that. Anyway, it's spread out pretty good from the screws going in from the cabinet, and then down there, and then here. So yeah, I think it'll be fine. I actually drove it like this, and I mean, it's super strong. Anyway, today was the first day that I was saying the reason why I did this was so that, now when I want to get sheets, I don't have to keep moving the ladders or the table, So today was the first day I used this setup I went and bought a bunch of furring strips and a couple 2x4s. I got these, I think they're 1x4 or 3/4 by 4 furring strips. I got that to do the sides here and here. And also to face that. And I would have used it up there, but I only had 1x3, so that's why it just got like a reveal, but it doesn't look bad. So I can see how in the future on, using it for work, for, small jobs, where you need a few 2x4s and some furring strips. And as you can see, I still have room. So I could do, I'm going to say maybe 4 sheets of drywall and a pack of furring strips, or like maybe 6 sheets of drywall and some 2x4s flat, and furring strips flat, or one-handed. I could maybe squeeze some furring strips or 2x4s in there like that. Gotta watch out for that window, and then if I have to, I don't want to have to move the saw or that, just to carry. I'll be fine. It'll be fine. Like I said, this is just for being able to carry some things. Whenever I need to carry a bunch of materials, I'll be using one of my trailers, and until I get another pickup truck. And then, so it'd be nice to have, like I was talking about in the last video, having a nicer, newer truck, using it for bids, and the occasional, if I do bigger jobs, it'd be nice to have another truck without a cap. You can load it up really nice. So anyway, this is the update I want to show you guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.